This week in the Cookery Club we're going to be learning how to make 15s. Now this might be a bit of a refresher for you, or it might be the first time you've ever made them, and if that's the case we're really excited to have you join us. Here's your list of ingredients that you're going to need. So you'll need some sweetened glacé cherries, a can of condensed milk, a pack of digestives, any brand will do, again a pack of marshmallows, any brand will do, just avoid the ones that have a sugar coating, that just don't give the taste that we're looking for, and also a pack of desiccated coconut to go around the outside. Additionally, you will also need some baking paper, and we will be using a food processor, but don't worry if you don't have a food processor, because you can still break the biscuits down using a rolling pin and a plastic bowl. There's not much else required, so don't worry about having all the utensils. This one is really simple, and it's one that you'll have to add to your cookery book for time and time again. I look forward to seeing you on Tuesday for another Cookery Club.